Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel drawings. We will start by understanding the foundational elements crucial for bringing your favorite heroes and villains to life on paper. It is all about building a strong base, much like a superhero's origin story. We will cover the essential supplies you will need and the initial steps to get your creative journey off to a fantastic start. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and create some truly heroic artwork. Once you have your basic shapes down, the next crucial step is mastering anatomy and dynamic posing. Think about how your favorite Marvel characters move. They are always in action. We will learn to construct a solid skeletal framework, then build powerful muscle groups over it. Remember to exaggerate proportions slightly to capture that iconic comic book energy. Using reference images will greatly assist in achieving realistic yet heroic stances for your figures. The user experience differs significantly. VS Code boasts a sleek, modern interface that is highly customizable, appealing to a broad range of developers. NetBeans presents a more traditional integrated development environment layout, which many longtime Java developers find familiar and efficient. Both have strong communities, but VS Code's community is vast and global, contributing to its rapid evolution. NetBeans maintains a dedicated following, especially within the enterprise Java sector. Finally, we reach the exciting stages of inking and coloring, where your Marvel drawing truly comes alive. Use varying line weights during inking to add depth and emphasize different elements of your character. Begin by applying flat base colors, then introduce shadows and highlights to give your artwork a three-dimensional quality. Experiment with different coloring techniques to achieve the desired mood and atmosphere, making your hero pop off the page.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.